Hey everybody, I'm Denise and this is Thomas and we are the Golden Life Travelers. Today we're going to be giving you an update on our water filtration system by Blu Technology.
Yes, 90 days ago we installed this system on our RV, and today we're going to tell you whether or not it held up or whether we recommend it to you. Hey Golden family. So today we're doing a 90-day update on our Blu Technology water system. And we're also getting ready to swap out these filters the way you're supposed to after using them for a while. Now, a lot of you all have already picked up one of these systems. Some of you have even used our code. So I wanted to come back and show you what it actually looks like after using it for about 90 days in real RV life. Okay, so right now what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually go ahead and change the old filters out that we installed 90 days ago. And here are the new ones, pretty and white, brand new. Just look how Blu Technology just packaged their products. I mean, it's just so professional and neat. So what we're going to do, we'll go ahead on and just actually go ahead and switch them out right quick. First thing I usually do is just loosen all the canisters. Okay, now, so that I don't get them mixed up, what I'm going to do is turn them in my direction so that I can see the labels as I install them. You turn them around like that. Basically, just lift them up. And what we'll do, we're actually going to show you each filter. After 90 days use. This is the middle filter here. It's a safety filter.
So Thomas, does the bags come labeled
They are
in the
labeled. Matter
box?
of fact, if you'd like to take a quick look, it says tasty. Yes, it is labeled. And they are in their plastic wrap.
Very sanitary.
Very sanitary, which I'm using to actually place them on so that we just remove this out of the way right quick. And this is the longevity. It kind of removes the sediments, sort of the big sediments. The first filter that it goes to is actually the longevity. And it is so easy to install. It's not hard
It's real quick.
to figure it out. Yeah, real quick. It's not hard, and it doesn't matter which side. That's a big, guys, a big, big difference.
Big difference.
Just drop it in.
Drop them into the canister there.
Mm-hmm. And it has a little groove because of those holes. It has a little groove where it fits in with no problem. Mm-hmm. You put them in there like that. Make sure they're in. I've been tight enough. Now I have them all hand tight. I just kind of tilt it to the side and just basically start tightening them up a little bit more. The good thing about these, they have these grooves right here, and you use a little wrench that come with it. You know, you don't want to tighten it so that, you know, it'll be so tight that you can't take it loose, or you bust a little seal. You basically want to get it enough so just that it won't leak. And just that easy, ladies and gentlemen, we are installed. So now we're going to go ahead and hook it up to the RV, and we'll come back and tell you a little bit more about it and how we feel about its performance in the last 90 days. Okay, everybody. Now that we got everything all set up, as you can see here, we got everything set up. I got it running into the RV. I got it ran back over here. As you can see, I'm running about 45 pounds of pressure, which normally what I use. It's just the two of us in the RV all the time. I'm actually going to disconnect this before I actually turn it on. You want to run the new filters for about 3 or 4 minutes. So everybody, what I'm doing is I'm actually letting it run to get all the loose segments that might be in the filters. And you basically just let it run for about 2-3 minutes. Then you hook it back up. Okay, now everybody, that we got it all hooked up, I had just a little bit of a leak, and I just had to tighten it up a little bit, and that's all it took. Roughly about 45 pounds. So there you have it. We successfully got everything installed. What we'll do now, just close everything up. That's it. Now that we took care of everything and make sure that we didn't have any leaks, and we'll come back out here to make sure later, but everything is done. Okay, everybody, now that we have removed the old filters and we replaced them with the new ones, we'd like to really sit here and kind of tell you our honest opinion about it, let you know whether we think it's worth it and whether it held up. I like to start out, Denise,
Sure.
and just say one thing I like about this filtration system, that it's not a whole lot of maintenance for it. You know, you carry it in a beautiful bag like this here, which you can place it anywhere, any of your bays, or even if you have to put it in your tow car, even on the inside of your RV. All you do is disconnect it. They got quick disconnects on them. Just disconnect it, place it into the bag, and there you go. But one thing I want to make sure that people know, because some people, when they first get the system, they think that you don't need to, if you're not using it, just let it sit up. I recommend that you, after about 2 weeks, if you're not using your RV, definitely 3 weeks, if you're not using your RV, just take the filters out. Take the filters out, let them dry, and wipe out your canisters. And the reason for this is, you know, sitting water breeds bacteria. So after a while, you don't want bacteria breeding inside your canisters. And that's one of the most important things I think is necessary. Also, you know, as I mentioned to you all, that I have CKD, you know, and I just want to make sure everything that I eat and I drink, that I put in my body, that it doesn't actually hurt me. And with this filtration system like it is, I can drink straight from the faucet. This system is actually good for me. And as you always like to talk about the bottled water.
Yes. Listen, the pros and cons that I have on this is I have no cons. Nothing but pros for this. I want to thank Blu Technology for thinking enough of us to have us try this system out and partner with them on the Blu Technology product, water filtration system.
Yes.
I just love it because I'm a water drinker. As I have said in the past, water is my strong drink.
Yeah.
We buy cases and cases of water, so this has helped us curve that cost of buying cases of water.
Save a lot of money.
I've used bottled water to cook with, bottled water to make my coffee with in my coffee maker. So I'm able now to use regular tap water out of the faucet and feel safe and secure doing so. So it has been very beneficial in that way. It tastes good. Bathing, it's a difference in that on your skin. So the filtration system is very, very healthy, very good, and very economical.
Yes.
And it's very beneficial. So that's the cons. The cons I have none. Pros I have all of those.
Okay, everybody, if you're interested in this product, we'll leave a link in the description with a discount code, and you can go right to that link and purchase it, put it in your cart. And in the matter of a few days, you'll have it to you. I'd like to also thank those subscribers that have already done that. Yeah.
Yes.
They've already went in and they bought the system, and the proceeds from that really helps us. One thing about the Golden Life Travelers, we are going to give you our honest opinion. Nobody is buying us and telling us what to say. We're not reading scripts. We're going to give you our honest opinion. We really want to thank you guys. And if there are any questions, you can leave them in the comment. We'll be glad to answer your questions.
Right now, we want you guys to do me a favor. We want you to like, share, leave us a comment. Good or bad, leave us a comment. And I always tell you, subscribe. We need to hear from you. Thank you. We would really appreciate that.
We're going to go ahead and give it the water taste again, because in the last 90 days, I had no issues with the water or anything. So we'll just cut our water on right here. Really cool to the touch. Get us a nice little cup. And as you can see, so clear. Wow, so clear. No problems at all. Tastes good. Tastes mighty good. Just as clear as it can be. And clean. No aftertaste or nothing. Y'all get this product.